everyone! Today we're going to show you how to make moldable play sand that won't dry out. For this, you're going to need 1 1/4 cup of sand, 3/4 cup of flour, and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. So to get started, all you're going to need to do is pour all of the ingredients into one large bowl or Ziploc bag. And then you're going to mix it together really well until all of the lumps of flour disappear. So to test if it's fully done yet, you can go and take a small cup. You can fill the cup and press it down nice and firm. And that one, as it didn't stay, that means we probably need a little bit more oil. So you'll just keep adding oil until it seems to stay together when you're molding it into a shape. So once you've finished, you can either just play with the sand regularly, you could try to make a sand castle. You could also try making mini towers and stack them on top of one another and see how tall of a tower you can make. Yeah, there's a lot of fun activities you can do with the play sand. And once you finish playing with it, make sure you store it in a Ziploc bag or a sealed container, and then it'll be good to play with next time. I said it shouldn't dry out, so you should have a lot of fun.